Preparing for the next project. I'm going to build a privacy screen on the fence there. As you can see, the houses are built pretty closely together where we are. So this is just to work out what I'm going to do and what materials I need. I'm using Sketchup to model the backyard and to help me plan the build. So I'm planning on using the existing fence posts there to put on a piece of pine, treated pine that is 70 mils by 35 mils and 2.4 meters in height, and then in between I'll be using 90 by 45. The short edge will go against the fence, and the long edge 90 mil will hopefully be enough to compensate for the fence post. I'll make a plan if it's too wide or narrow on the day. I've decided to go with 5.7 meter lengths of Merbu decking. This is because the distances between each fence post were not equal along that back fence, so it is hard to find smaller lengths that would fit each section. But this will probably work out pretty well and more cost effective as well. So yeah, I was just testing out how many I would need, and worked out that 8 looked the best. Had about a 6 mil gap in between, which is not too bad. So I think that'll work out quite well. Just have a look, see what it looks like from the back. So I think it'll look pretty good for the neighbors too, which is good. So let's just put it on this other section and see what the completed fence will look like. So there we go, it's not too bad. So just quick measurement there. It's 600 mil from top to bottom. It's a nice good distance, and just check the gap there, and that is 6 mil. So I'll need to find a 6 mil spacer when I'm putting these together. I've added a couple of screw holes onto the decks and to the posts, just to give me an idea of how many I'll need to get in the end. And then I've just counted up all the bits and pieces to work out all the materials I'll need to buy, and I'll just chuck that into a spreadsheet. So that's the plan anyway. I'd love to hear from anyone out there who's done a similar project. You know, am I missing anything obvious? Are there any pitfalls I should watch out for? But we'll see how it goes.